What's up, everybody? I'm back with another video, and today we have a just a good video, okay? All right, let's get into it. But first, I would like to thank my first sponsor, Slick Deals, for sponsoring this video. For those of you that have asked, you've asked sometimes, how do I find some of these deals? Well, I use Slick Deals a lot of the time. So I have my personalized front page. So basically what this is, it monitors what deals I generally look for, and it shows me what it thinks I like. Like, for instance, this Ryobi cordless orbital jigsaw for $39 at Home Depot. Or like this Milwaukee Oscillating Multi-Tool Blade Kit, which is actually quite good at $49.97, which you'll see in just a minute. But one of the things I like most about Slick Deals is its ability to go to a website, click on the little extension, and you will see all the deals from that store. So boom, we see at Lowe's, we have one, I always forget about this, the Lowe's DIY Kids Workshop, which gives you free items to put together with your kids. Or check this out, this Cobalt Flashlight. It's a very good light too. I mean, I know I normally dog Cobalt, but it's a very good light. But boom, it tells us it's $23.95, $23.97 on the website here. It's sold out, but you can see it says free pickup and in-store only. So it's an in-store only deal, and we can read the comments right here while we're still on the website, and we get feedback from people who've actually used the tool, and we know these people are real. And I like to pay attention to reviews, but when I don't have personal experience with the tool, I like to go to Slick Deals to see what other people are saying who've had the tools for months, years. And this is one of the benefits of this extension over all the others. So if you want to check out the Slick Deals extension, I'll leave a link to it in the description. And now on to the rest of the video. So Home Depot, I don't know what's been going on with Home Depot, you guys, but Home Depot has been giving me problems like Lowe's, at least using the Chrome extension. But we have some Milwaukee deals for you today. And while the special buy of the day is semi-special, and you'll see why in a second, all these beautiful tabs up here, I stumbled across a whole bunch of different deals, and they're good. Good. They're quite ridiculous, but let's get into it. So anyway, let's talk about the special buys of the day. First up, you see this. I mean, I immediately passed this by. I hope you didn't say, ooh, that looked good for $209. Come on, are you new here? This is a horrible deal. It's a horrible deal. We can do much better. And this is really best up. This is the M12, and they're brushed. This is brushless. The M18 almost tripped up because I can't believe that this brushed it's just, what is this? What is the math here? What is this, $16? It's not even $15 difference. What are you looking at this for? Over here, okay? Over here. These are powerful, even though they're not fueled, but this is not a good deal. And now, matter of fact, let's just address it. Let's address that monkey in the room. Where'd it go? Okay. Recognize this? This is the same thing. You say, well, it doesn't have the battery. No, it doesn't come with the extra battery that this does. No, it doesn't do that. It comes with some drill bits, which is more useful because this thing already has 2 batteries, okay? You don't need the extra battery. And look at this, $209. You add yourself a free gift here, and what does this become? That kit is $146.58. So this $209, no, you don't want it. Moving back over to the special deals page, this M12 Oscillating Tool. If you've been wanting one, this is the one you want. Get it. Why you may be thinking, man, one night that's $200, dude. That's kind of expensive. It comes with, I can't even talk straight. 2 6-amp-hour batteries. At first when I saw them, I was like, oh man, it comes with 2 4-amp-hour batteries. That's pretty good. No, 6-amp-hour batteries, 2 6-amp-hour XC batteries. Man, this is crazy because these 2 batteries alone are more than $200. So there you go right there. And this right here, this oscillating tool is the best oscillating tool I've ever used. I've used the M18. I used the Metabo HBT. I've used both Dewalt. I've used the Metabo. And this is just the best. This is the best one for vibration. And that's going to be a big thing when it comes to the oscillating tools. They all vibrate, right? But eventually, if it vibrates too bad and you got to use that thing for prolonged use, it can mess with the nerves in your hand. And this The M12 has the least amount of vibration out of every other oscillating tool I've ever used. I've been trying to find a better one. I just can't. The dampening on that thing is incredible. So I highly recommend that oscillating tool if you need one. Even if you feel like 199 is a stretch, which is not with those batteries, it's worth it overall in the long run just for your hand health, okay? So moving on. Cutoff tool, again, 2 6 amp hour batteries, so also a good deal. No, okay. Now look, let's get over here to the Ryobi. Now I know, again, I don't generally use Ryobi power tools. I have a couple because they're like one-off, mainly woodworking tools that I don't use very often. I might use them a couple times a year, and for that, yes, go Ryobi. I don't think it's worth going Makita, Milwaukee, or something big like that. Just go Ryobi. They're gonna work. It's just, they're not gonna last as long as the Milwaukees and stuff, and they won't work as well. But they'll work pretty good, a lot of them. But look, man, for $119, you get this a compound 7¼ inch miter saw. That the 119 alone is pretty good for that. We've seen Craftsman have one, and with a stand for like $119 or $99. I've seen it though it's $99 or $89 during the holiday. But this also comes with a jigsaw, and at that point, it's just hilarious. 119. I mean, I do that. I do that for the weekend woodworker. Moving over to this router and jigsaw, $89. And then moving down to some more oscillating tool and a router. I mean, oscillating tool and a jigsaw, $69. Angle grinder and a jigsaw, $79. 5.5-inch circular saw and a jigsaw, $79. I mean, look, even if you're not just a beginner to woodworking and you're like medium, you don't use them every single day. Like I said, maybe 3 times a week. Man, I would try this. This is just too cheap to pass up. It's just too cheap. I mean, the reviews are pretty darn good too for the cost, for the price of admission. I mean, I'm rocking with that. Now moving on to Ridgid. Ridgid tools are generally a step up above Ryobi. I gotta say though, Ryobi lately has been producing some really good tools, and I mean, Ridgid produces good tools too. They've never, it's been times where I've needed to go grab both of these, honestly, a Ryobi tool and a Ridgid tool, and they just didn't do the job. And so with that said, I couldn't recommend anybody buying these big old kits. I just couldn't. Ridgid has certain tools that are very good. They have a really good impact wrench, impact drivers and drills and stuff. I mean, that's kind of, especially if you're getting their hammer drill, I think you'll be fine there. Their inflator is very good. Their battery operated shop vac is very good. They have certain things that are very good, but like reciprocating saws and all that, I can't do it. I can't recommend all this stuff. I haven't used all these tools, but I have a Ridgid kit, and it is mediocre at best. There's a couple things in there that are good, like I said, but not as good as my Milwaukee stuff or my Metabo HPT stuff or my Metabo stuff or even my Dewalt stuff. Like they just I don't touch the toolkit anymore. It's like somebody's hey neighbor, can I borrow a drill? Yes, take the Ridgid drill. Yeah. So anyway, moving on to the really good stuff that's sold out. But we have some awesome stuff in these tabs. But this is really good. This rotary hammer drill with this angle grinder, man, $289. This drill alone is 3-something. It's like, what is it, $329, something like that for this drill alone. So that was incredible. So, we missed that. Apparently it sold out in 15 minutes. I don't know. Now all this other stuff, whoa. This is a weird deal here. Because you have this non-fuel stuff, and then you get the fuel 2767 impact, high torque impact wrench with a few impact bits and a bunch of batteries they just threw in there. That was a weird deal. So weird. I got to wrap my mind around it. It was weird. I don't know why it sold out so quickly, but it's kind of weird. I don't like mixing fuel stuff with non-fuel stuff. To me, it's just trickery. Now, here we are with this right angle ratchet. Everybody loves this one. I like this one too because it's small. Now, this high speed one is also very good, but I don't like this deal for $199. I know there's normally like one something alone. It's two 6 amp hour batteries again, but I feel like this is the high speed. I'd be all over it. I would say go for it. This M12 Circular Saw, I heard pretty good things about it, man. With the 6 amp hour batteries, boom, there you go. The M12 Rocket Light with the two 6 amp hour batteries, this is a good deal right here for $199. Now see, earlier, that's the thing. Maybe I just woke up too early because all this stuff was sold out. These lights, all this stuff was sold out just earlier. And maybe that's why Home Depot website was messing up on me because they were fixing this, but they're back now. This is a decent deal on this light. This is the Rocket Light with the tri-LEDs. The tri-lights I haven't even taken it out of the box yet because I still just, I have this and I have the other Rocket Light, which I need to probably sell maybe the other Rocket Light and just go to using this. But this is the one that would charge the batteries. You can plug it in, it's hybrid, and then also put a battery in there, and it has a built-in charger. This is normally, $450. So it being $299 is a good deal, but I have seen it. When I bought it, it was like $229. I got it for the price that the version under this normally costs, like $200, $229. But that was like a one-off deal. So if you need a light, a really good one, this is a good price, $299. This one is funny because it looks just like the Ryobi. Now I'm kind of seeing why Ryobi went with their design. Maybe they were mocking or trying to emulate this this Milwaukee one. I don't know why it costs so much. Oh, because it's one key, but it has a dual pack. I don't know. I just know from the Ryobi the way this thing, the stand is, it's weird. This one looks to have a smaller footprint, but again, I'm not going to speak too much on it because I never used it. You have a stapler here. That's not a bad deal. This is actually not a bad deal at all for $129. I didn't even see, like I said, a lot of this, and this stuff wasn't even here earlier. It was weird. So this planer is back at $59, which has kind of been routinely that. This was also sold out, but it's back on here when I was trying to do my Slick Deals commercial. So you have your jigsaw, $39. This was sold out earlier too, but it's back. So if you do get on here and the stuff is sold out, keep going back and forth. Check the app. Some stuff might be available in the app. Again, I mentioned this before. Last time this was on sale. I don't like this deal because you can go to Tool Barn and get the Metabo HPT mid-torque with better specs. It's more powerful, lifetime warranty. You can plug it into the wall and use the battery. Plus, it comes with a free starter kit, and you can get a rebate for an extra 4 amp hour battery. All of that good stuff. So I have to bring that up so I'll remember to leave a link to that. So there you have it right there. For an extra $10, you're going to get a free starter kit, battery, all that good stuff. You have the high torque. Is this a high torque impact wrench? It does look like for $179 from Ridgid. This needs a high output battery though in order to really get the numbers out of it. And that is pretty much it. I'll let you scroll through the rest of these because we have some other deals we need to go through and time is of the essence. So let's go ahead and go through these real quick. We have another oscillating tool, M12 Oscillating Tool. It's not the fuel, so I believe this will definitely vibrate more. $59.97 after you've added your free gift. Here we have some more. Now this right angle drill. It's saying the free gift is sold out, so you can't add the free gift, which is weird, but you can still buy it. It's crazy, so I would say definitely check this out on the app. It'll also drop down to $50 or whatever. Same for this jigsaw, this M12. Then also we have this angle grinder, 4.5 inch to 6 inch angle grinder. This is the one that's normally much more expensive too because normally the other ones are 4.5 and 5 inch. This is 4.5, 6 inch. Comes with a high output 6 amp hour battery, $249. Okay, $249. But wait, that's not it. We have more. Look at all these. Look at all these. So I just brought them all up. So you have the angle grinder alone where you could do the free gift. And holy mother of pearl. This is a Gen 4 hammer drill. I actually didn't see. I figured this was going to be a battery. No. Gen 4 hammer drill, or you can add this impact wrench. Wow. And now this thing becomes, the impact wrench is 116 and this angle grinder is 132. Wow. There you go. Now, or you can just come over here, do the 249 and just get both. Again, you know, no adding free gift involved. Or you can come over here and just get the hammer drill again for $249. So they're all pretty much the same deal. So there you have it with that. The last thing I wanted to show you guys for today, I know I mentioned a couple days ago, Tools Direct on eBay. So they ended up sending out the stuff I put in the cart just to show you guys. They ended up reaching out and giving me an offer. So here it is. There's the Dewalt Oscillating Tool. They're offering it to me for $51.75. I'm wondering if I accept this offer, will I get the additional 30% off? I don't know. So if you really want this, go ahead and add it to your cart. Because once I click accept offer, I'm bound to buy this thing. So, you know, I don't want to have to go through the hassle of returning it or trying to flip the thing or sell it, anything like that. So I'm going to leave that up to you guys. But this Ridgid also, that it ended up expiring, but this hammer drill also dropped down to $41.99. And if they gave me an additional 30% off, because I don't know, it would have been like $20-something. So, well, no, not, yeah, it would have been like $20-something. It would have been like $27, which is crazy. Okay, so yeah, if you want the stuff, just leave some of the stuff in the cart. And now if it tell you it's only one left, whatever, just buy it. But if this doesn't give you a certain amount that's left, I would say go on ahead and just set it in the cart. And a few days later, they should send you an offer, okay? So that's it for today's video. I know it was long, but hopefully it was enjoyable and hopefully it was helpful. I'll see you guys next time.